Hey nerds, Jess here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder products on a WooCommerce category page. So on this page, we have gloves, socks, etc. up top. And what we want is we want to reorder it so that our higher priced items are at the top. What we're going to do, and this is only using WooCommerce, is we're going to go to products, categories, and then we're going to click on the category that we want to reorder. So for this example, it is winter breeches is what it's called. So we're going to click on the count number that was over there. And then we're going to go over to the product section. And this is only showing products that are in the winter breeches line. And we're going to click sorting. From here, it's going to show the sort that currently matches with our archives page. Currently, all of the products are set to 0 for the actual sort. So if I click advanced, you'll see the menu order is 0. So that means what I can do is I can put 1 for this one, for example, and we're going to watch and see where this one goes in the menu sort when I put it to 1. Which should be at the bottom, which it is. So what you're going to do is, for this example, I'm going to make all of these the 1 option because I don't really care which one of these is first. I just care that all of the accessories are after the breeches. So I'm going to go in and do that now. Okay, so now that we have that updated, we're going to refresh our page. And it has now updated so that all the breeches are up top and then all of the accessories are on the bottom. So if you have any questions about this, how to do it, please let us know. Normally we use Roku Block with WooCommerce, but for this particular store, it is only using the WooCommerce categories. So this should work for you. But if you have any problems, please let us know in the comments down below and we can try to troubleshoot it together. So I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, give it a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.